Hello, my name is Jack White, and I'm currently studying sound for film, TV, and games at Solent University. In this short video, I'll be going into detail about the Bunker game demo and the process and development over the course of the project. The project was designed with a research question in mind. Can modern computer games be created to be accessible for the blind and visually impaired? This then later became the project title. And with that in mind, the importance of creating an experience which is both accessible and entertaining for the target audience became a priority. Various concepts were overlooked, and the most appropriate course of action was to implement binaural audio. Other 3D sound options were discussed, but ambisonics, for example, didn't work out as well as binaural audio because binaural audio has the ability to construct a realistic soundscape which would then assist the player's navigation within the game. The significance of this project was not only about creating a game that is accessible for the blind and visually impaired players, but to also raise awareness for games of this style and achieve in collaborating both a disabled and able-bodied audience in hope to broaden and diversify the gaming community. To explain the context of the project, the game demo, Bunker, was designed with the intention to raise awareness of games targeted towards blind and visually impaired players and assist with collaborating both the average demographic and disabled users within the gaming community and industry. The problem, however, was to solve the implementation of effective binaural audio to guarantee that the first prototype would be accessible to a blind and visually impaired audience, as well as being entertaining for an able-bodied audience also. The solution chosen in order to fix the problem did not operate as intended. The binaural audio aspect was not to the standard of the initial plan due to inexperience within the field. But most importantly, the middleware chosen, Wise Audio, malfunctioned and extracted all of the edited sounds from the UE4 game engine days before completion. Although this negative impact associated with one of the main goals in the project proved to be a disadvantage, drastically interfered with the project's timeframe and potentially diminished the quality of the first prototype's outcome overall, the results regarding accessibility, raising awareness, and collaborating gaming communities showed potential and was one of the major successes over the duration of this project. The most interesting part of this project was the accessibility factor and how it was presented towards modern gaming in its own very distinctive way. By combining an effective storyline with unique controls, an enjoyable in-game experience was achieved for both able-bodied and blind or visually impaired players. Although the first prototype was not at the standard it was initially designed to be, the concept of the game managed to drive the project and begin raising awareness of games for people with specific needs, which correlates and effectively answers the research question with a positive answer. The most difficult task to achieve when creating the first prototype was overcoming inexperience. The level of inexperience which occurred throughout concerned multiple stages of the project. Firstly, inexperience with software slowed down the development of the game demo, which ultimately resulted in incompletion. Additionally, the inexperience with software commonly raised issues over the course of the entire project, from delays with game design to cooking, packaging, and finalizing the game. Overall, inexperience was the main issue that diminished the outcome of the Bunker game demo prototype 1.